Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today, man, we have another reaction. Huh? So today we are going to react to SB19 Time. This is their performance in the first take again. So nung nakaraan nga lang, no, nag-perform sila ng Damn sa the first take, but now they're gonna perform Time. And again, Time is one of the most favorite song sa itong nilabas lang EP na Simula at Wakas. And I mean, one of the most beautiful music video in terms of like storytelling na napanood ko, no? So yeah, I'm really excited kung paano ito i-perform. We all know SB19 always, put the flavor under song every time that they do a live performance. So I'm really excited with this. Well, I mean, without no further ado, huwag natin patagalin, man. Let's get it. Here we go again.
Okay. Whoa.
Wow.
Yes. I'm so nervous again.
So nervous again.
Hello everyone, we're SB19. We're back here again. This time, we're going to perform one of our more emotional songs from our latest
Yep.
EP called Simula at Wakas. And it is called Time. Is everyone ready?
Yeah.
Yoroshiku onegaishimasu. Riding in bed, numb and upset. Your hands on a clock, I'm moving along. It feels like I'm dead, but I'm here instead. Please make it stop. I'm always wrong and stuck inside my never-ending thoughts. I'm trying hard 'cause I know what it costs. 'Cause one day we'll run out of time. Memories will leave and behind many things we can control. I hope you know it's better to try.
Man, the control of Stel sa vocals niya is laging sobrang nakaka-amaze, no? Laging sobrang nakaka-amaze. Grabe.
'Cause one day we'll run out of all of these are natural.
Hey.
No one's really in control, but we live a little 'cause we know when we vanish we don't really go. So I try to run an extra mile, hoping for a sign. If there isn't one, then I'm leaving mine. And for those behind, seeking you will find there's no reason not to try. Watching everything from the back seems beautiful, but at times it gets really ugly. You already know what to do, but we got nothing to lose.
The harmonizationism again.
Reason not to try. Watching everything from the back seems beautiful, but at times it gets really ugly. You already know what to do, but we got nothing to lose. But we're not changing with trust, fighting for whatever cost. If the light's dying, ever sister, if you're stuck inside my never-ending thoughts. I'm trying hard 'cause I know what it costs. 'Cause one day,
I mean, Justin is just I'm glazing too much kay Justin, no, since yung dumb performance nila for the first take. But I just want to say, no, just one more time, Justin is just the most improved player nila dito sa kanilang kanilang basketball team. Justin, man, pagdating sa vocals,
'cause I know what it costs. 'Cause one day we'll run out of time. Memories will leave and behind many things we can control. I hope you know it's better to try. 'Cause one day we'll run out of time. Memories will leave and behind.
medyo iba yung instrumental, no? Siya yung pinaka-original instrumental sa official audio.
High hurt to try. Cause one day we'll run out of time and time again. It rains things I don't understand. I'm drenched all over, still under all I can. Now LOL, there's no.
Ang galing talaga ni Josh sa ano no, sa yung paano sabihin to? Yung pag kumakanta siya, yung ang hirap kasi gawin eh. Hindi ko siya magawa eh. Gusto ko mabigyan ng example sa bagay ng galing ni Josh pag kumakanta siya yung ang hirap eh. Yung parang pumipiyok na ewan. Mapakita ko lang sa inyo. Wait lang. Ang hirap kasi hindi ko kayang gawin eh.
Time and time again, it rains things I don't understand.
Ano? Ang hirap eh. Basta, ang galing sa ganun. Yung hindi siya, kasi iba yung piyok eh. Alam mo yung piyok kasi, maririnig mo agad eh. Sa kanya kasi sinasadya niya, and style niya yung sa pagkanta. Which is, ang hirap gawin. Sa totoo lang.
Run out of time and time again, it rains things I don't understand.
Yung, alam mo yun, di ko kasi magawa eh. Ang hirap, di ko na alam kung ano tawag eh. Ang hirap i-explain sa inyo. Basta, kung narinig niyo yung tinutukoy ko yun, ang galing ni Josh sa ganun.
Drenched all over, still under all I can. Now LOL, there's no reset in this world, so I'll never ever walk away with stones left unturned. Oh, cause if I'm living anyway, I'm spending every day scattering stars in the night sky, hoping it'll lead away for better days. Savor every moment with me while we're here, cause I don't want day change.
Oh man.
Memories
Come
will
on.
leave them behind. Many things we can't control. I hope you know it's better to try.
Again, napakaganda ng ginawa nila dito. Nabanggit ko na to eh, the first time that we reacted to this song na after Stel, next is Ken. Kasi sobrang highlight yung vocal silang dalawa kasi parang sobrang contrast. No? And napakaganda nun. Napakaganda. And yung part na parang nakababa lahat ng instrumental, we have Ken, which is, medyo malaking boses niya. So we can really appreciate yung vocals ni Ken. Like, look at this. Diba? After you hear this,
Memories will leave them behind. Many things we can't control. I hope you know it's better to try. Cause one day we'll run out of.
one day we'll run out of. Ang hirap eh, no? Ano kaya ginagawa yun? Yung malaki pero mataas, no?
I hope you know it's better to try. Cause one day we'll run out of
time. Memories will leave them behind. Many things we can't control. I hope you know it's better to try.
Sinadya kaya nila yun na magkaroon ng parang tug time para sabay-sabay sila during a performance. Kasi yung part na yon, ang hirap sabayan eh, di ba? Ayun, kasi di mo alam kung kailan papasok yung time. Parang gulatan yung nangyayari eh. You know?
Memories will leave them behind. Many things we can't control. I hope you know it's better to try. Cause one day we'll run out of time. Memories will leave them behind. Darling, when push comes to shove, your best is enough. It won't hurt to try. Cause one day we'll run out of.
One of the best song ng SB19. Hands down, man. Hands down.
Thank you.
Let's go. Alright, well again, that is SB19 Time. Their performance in the first take. Man, if you know, if you're one of those person na naniniwala na hindi marunong kumanta ang SB19. I mean, sa sobrang dami nilang napatunayan noon, kung sa tingin mo hindi ka pwede niniwala, no? Siguro naman ngayon, this is one of their most recent. Siguro naman ngayon, napakita na nila. Like, sobrang klaro ng audio nila doon for this live performance. Sobrang kita mo yung range ng vocals nila. Yan yung kaya nilang gawin sa pagkanta. I mean, kung hindi ka pa rin naniniwala ngayon, no? Hindi namin pinipilit na magiging a fan or an 18, no? But to just believe na kaya nila. Right? Pero kung hindi pa rin, I mean, wala tayong magagawa. Hindi ko na alam kung anong pwedeng ipakita sa'yo. Like, yung performance na yon, that is a full package orgasm. No? Ayun lang masasabi ko, man. Ang galing. Damn. Well, again, that is SB19 time. In the first take, I mean, you know, they always nailed it, but nakaka-amaze pa rin, no? Every time na kinakanta nila yung mga kanta nila, nakaka-amaze pa rin. Even nga yung mga covers nila, no? But, well, that's a reaction for today. Sana gustuhan nyo. Leave a like and subscribe. Gusto mo sabutin yung artist, man, singer, rapper, song na ginagawa sa mga ganyan. Just comment down below. And that's it for me today. See you on my next vid. You guys stay awesome. Peace.